If your diesel engine is cranking for a long time, but refusing to fire up in the cold, your intake air heater might be the silent culprit behind the scenes. A P0542 code specifically indicates that the intake air heater circuit has a high signal, which usually means there is an electrical malfunction preventing the system from warming up the air entering your engine. This heater is absolutely essential for diesel starting and idling because it provides the necessary warmth to help the fuel ignite when temperatures drop. You might notice your check engine light is on along with a rough idle, or even the engine stalling out shortly after you get it running. Potential causes for this high circuit code include a faulty heater element relay, a dead heater element, or even a damaged blower motor. To start your diagnosis, you should always look up the technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, as manufacturers often release updated parts or software fixes for these systems. When you dive into the engine bay, visually inspect the air ducts for any restrictions and check the electrical connectors for any signs of heat damage or corrosion. Be extremely careful not to touch the heater element or the heat shield while the system is active, because they get incredibly hot. You can use a digital multimeter to check for power and ground at the various components of the circuit. If you find that the intake air heater is receiving the correct voltage, but still is not getting hot, then the element itself has likely failed and needs to be replaced. In some cases, a corroded connector is providing too much resistance, which triggers the high signal code, so cleaning those terminals is a great first step. If the problem persists after you have verified the wiring and the relay, it is time to head to a qualified mechanic who can use advanced diagnostic tools to check the powertrain control module logic or replace a faulty blower motor. Taking care of this early will save you from being stranded with a truck that simply will not start when the weather gets tough.